Yeah, look at that. No bad, no bad. Have a video. Hope you all doing well today. So today I have come with quick recipe for those who love green plantain. Today I'm gonna try. I haven't tried this, my first time. I'm gonna try this today. So I'm gonna try and make green plantain fufu. Some people call it green plantain swallow and all that. So if you love plantain, come, let's find out another way to eat plantain. So you're gonna need plantain. I'm gonna use 2 plantains, and then you need your blender, you need a pot obviously to cook it, and then chopping board and knife. I need knife to actually take the plantain skin out, so I'll show you guys step by step. Let's get into it. Okay, first you need to just wash your plantain, which I'm doing now. I'm just washing my plantain now. Yeah, and then I'm gonna chop it. Okay, so I've washed the plantain now, so I'm gonna try take the skin off. So I've taken all the skin off. I'm just gonna try and chop it.
Start again.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut it now. I'm gonna cut my plantain into pieces. There we go. Yeah, just mind your finger, guys. Mind your fingers. I've finished chopping my plantain. I'm just gonna put them in the blender. We're just gonna blend it. So blend your plantain until you get smooth texture. Okay, blend until it's smooth. Yes, so our plantain has been blended. So we're just gonna got our pot here. We put medium heat. First time making green plantain fufu swallow. Green plantain swallow, guys. I'm trying. Hopefully it won't fail me. So this is our plantain. It's all smooth. It's all blended. So we're gonna put it in our pot in medium heat. So put our plantain in the pot. stir it. Keep stirring. I'm gonna be stirring a bit. Yeah. Just have to get everything out of the blender. Just keep stirring. Low heat, medium heat. Yeah, so keep stirring. I've been stirring this for like 5 minutes now. See, it's starting to look like fufu. Swallow. Just keep stirring. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, just keep stirring. Right. It's almost there. You can see, guys. Now it's been like 7 minutes stirring of our green plant. Keep stirring the fufu, guys. Getting messy. This is green plantain fufu, guys. Yeah. So our fufu been steaming for 2 minutes now. It's steaming for 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna stir it again. Yeah. See, it's literally turning to fufu, guys. Look at that. You guys see that? So in the total time that took me to make this, like 15 minutes, guys. 15 minutes. Looks like our fufu is ready. Look, guys. Yeah. So we're just gonna transfer our green plantain fufu swallow into wet bowl. It's like wet, just put the bowl inside, transfer it. Yep. And then just cover it. Let it cool for 3 to 5 minutes. You just let it cool down first.
5 minutes later.
So guys, this is our fufu. This is our green plantain fufu. It turned out well for the first time. Yeah, look at that. Not bad, not bad. So that's our fufu ready. So you can have it with anything you want, with a stew, with light soup, peanut butter soup, anything you can have with it. Just the way you eat normal fufu, normal swallow, so you can have it with it. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye. God bless you. Mwah.